In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit BNB into Axiom because you can deposit both Solana and BNB now into Axiom. So what you need to do is go ahead and log into Axiom. If you don't have an account, I'll leave a link in the description. Then you can go to Solana. It will most likely be on. Click on that and change it to BNB. And what we can do now is go to the deposit button. And here you get an address to send BNB to. So go ahead and copy that. So I've got my BNB on MetaMask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to BNB. We're going to click on send, and I'm going to then paste in the BNB address from Axiom. Once we've done that, we're going to send the maximum amount. We can then click on continue. You can preview your transaction. You can see the fee 0.01 cent. We'll click confirm. And there we go. We've submitted that transaction. That's gone through. And we should now see this inside of our wallet in a second. So there we go. That's updated in Axiom. We've now funded our account. I hope that video helped you out.